Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting clear boundaries, decide a realistic daily limit and why it matters. Once done, pick 2 focus windows, one for deep work, one for lighter tasks, so you control momentum. Make sure to enable your device's screen time or digital well-being and set a recovery PIN to prevent casual overrides. You'll feel immediate structure. Next, align app categories with your goals so the system can enforce limits. And start the timer now to build the habit. You now refine the controls. Categorize each app into work, social, entertainment, or tools because the system enforces by category. Then, set specific app limits, 30 to 60 minutes for social apps, longer for productivity tools, and schedule downtime or focus modes so interruptions stop during blocks. Make sure to sync settings across devices to avoid loopholes. If notifications persist, mute the noisy apps and allow only essential contacts so your attention remains where it matters. You finish by reviewing weekly usage reports and adjusting limits in small steps, 10 to 20%, to avoid rebound effects. Once done, add positive reinforcement. Grant an extra 15 minutes when you meet your goals to reward progress. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Check device sync, verify the recovery PIN, and remove unintended app exemptions. Finally, make sure family or account-level settings aren't overriding your choices, and reset a troublesome limit rather than disable the whole system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.